If you're looking to learn how to use Process.st's API, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the essentials of using this powerful tool to automate and streamline your workflows, all while integrating it seamlessly with your other systems. Stick around till the end because I'm going to show you how you can use this software for free with an exclusive bonus. So make sure you don't miss out. Let's jump straight into it. Process.st's API is a game changer for automating your processes. Whether you're trying to trigger workflows from external apps or pulling data from your tasks into other platforms, this API has got you covered. The first thing you need to do is grab your API key. You can find it under the integration section in your Process.st settings. Once you've got your key, you'll be able to interact with their system programmatically. Now, let's talk about how to set up your first API call. With Process.st's RESTful API, you can perform actions like creating new workflows, adding tasks to a workflow, or even updating a task status. You can do all this by making simple HTTP requests. If you're familiar with working with APIs, you know how easy it is to interact with them using GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE methods, and Process.st follows that same approach. To create a new task, for example, you can use a POST request to the task's endpoint. You'll include details like the task name, due date, and any other custom fields. The API will return a confirmation with the task's ID, and from there, you can start managing it with subsequent API calls. If you're working with workflows, you can use the Workflows endpoint to list all your workflows or create new ones. This is great if you're looking to automate the process of setting up workflows from another system, like CRM or project management tools. It's as simple as sending a POST request to create a workflow with all the required fields. One powerful feature of Process.st's API is the ability to manage your checklists and workflows in real time. Let's say you're integrating with a project management tool. With the API, you can create tasks and monitor progress from within that platform without ever needing to log into Process.st itself. Another thing to keep in mind is webhooks. These allow you to receive real-time notifications whenever something happens in your Process.st account. You can set up webhooks to get updates on workflow progress, task completion, or even new task assignments. This is perfect if you want to trigger actions in other systems whenever something occurs in Process.st. If you're using custom fields in your workflows, you can also integrate and update them with the API. Custom fields allow you to capture unique data points related to each task or workflow. The API lets you push this information into Process.st, so you're always working with the latest data, regardless of where it originates. When it comes to security, Process.st ensures that your data is safe with HTTPS endpoints and authentication via API keys. It's important to protect your API key and use it responsibly to avoid unauthorized access to your account. And here's the best part. You can start using Process.st's API for free right now with an extended trial that we're offering exclusively through the first link below. So why not give it a try and start automating your workflows without any risk? By the way, if you've never worked with APIs before, don't worry. Process.st's documentation is top-notch, making it incredibly easy for beginners and pros alike to get started. So, whether you're looking to streamline your business processes, automate task management, or integrate with other systems, Process.st's API is the tool you need. Don't forget, you can get started today for free by using the link below, where you'll also receive exclusive bonuses that you can't get anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get a clear understanding of how to use Process.st's API. Be sure to check out the link below to start your free trial, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content on automation and streamlining your workflow processes.